Daniel, let's begin with you, sir. Please make sense of this for us, because it's confusing a lot of people. Why the Bank of England continues to communicate this same line when the market's just not buying it.
Right, yes. Well, the MPC is in a difficult position, of course, facing essentially what is a supply shock, this Brexit vote, which is going to lead to, most likely, a less open UK economy. And that has meant higher prices from the effects of the fall in the value of sterling and above target inflation, and then the effects of uncertainty coupled with a squeeze in real income growth, which is weighing on growth. So they face this trade-off. That trade-off over the last month appears to have steepened a bit, because we've got weaker growth evidence. I think there's further evidence that the UK economy is slowing, and yet inflation has eased a little bit, and that means that the bank has said today that they're going to remain on hold, and I don't think that will change over the Article 50 negotiations. We expect them to remain on hold throughout that two-year period, which started back in March 2017.
Daniel, just quickly, if I may, what does this say about the credibility of the Bank of England that they carry on doing this and no one really believes they're actually going to do it?
Yeah, I mean, I think their big problem is that, of course, they condition on government policy, and government policy is that you're going to have a transition deal, and that transition is crucial for businesses. Without that, there will be this cliff edge in March 2019 where the UK would automatically fall out of the EU, and that would cause chaos. Of course, that transition, though, is still not done and dusted, far from it. And if we do get a transition deal, well, we think that is likely, but there is a significant risk that they don't agree to that, then it won't become clear until the end of next year, and businesses won't be able to wait that long for that kind of clarity. The evidence is that they'll need a year in advance to take action on their contingency plans, and that would be early next year.
Yeah.
So we see that in today's forecast, that they've downgraded, or there's certainly more uncertainty over their business investment forecasts. They see further evidence that that uncertainty is weighing on business investment plans.